Hey everyone, today we're going to be unboxing Zest Achilles, the customized set. Alright. Comes with, of course, Zest Achilles, then comes with chain Phoenix. I love that recolor, by the way. You get a Super King part, which is Hollow Death's, Hollow Ragnarok, which is kind of a bummer. Like, I would have liked, I don't know, a new Ultimate, a new Raphael, but it's fine, it's fine. The new disc illegal. Fortress, the A-Gear Quattro Dash, which is actually really cool, and Metal Never. So this release has 48 modes, and I'm actually excited about that. Like, that's insane. 48? How do you casually have 48 modes? It's like, if there's a new BU Spriggan, it has to be like over the top, just broken, because there's no way. Here it is. Toss it to the side. These stickers. That is a lot of stickers for Achilles, I think. Yep, that is a ton of stickers. Huh. It's fine. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna cut it. Okay, so here we got a bit of like random parts. Like, they don't go together. Here's the A-Gear. Here's the spin changer thing. And here's Hollow. And actually, is that a... It looks... Ow. It looks more... It looked yellow on the... I mean, it is yellow. But it's kind of gold. I like it. It looks nice. And, you know, I can use this instead of my prize bay. Yeah, if you scroll down on the channel, you can go check out my Death Scyther unboxing. Here's the A-Gear. I've seen how this looks, and I'm not a fan of it. It gets like really, I might as well show it. Alright, so here we are. Here's, my adventure broke, so here's the adventure. But I don't like how it looks. Like, the F-Gear sat really flush with everything else. This one seems to just give it very... I'm not even gonna lie. Is this how it goes? Oh, okay, so there's two modes. Okay, that makes me like it a bit more, actually. So this is like a 6-bladed mode, and that doesn't look that bad. But if you twist it, I don't good. Oh, okay, and that's like the... You see, that's a bit weird to me. You see, like, that massive gap? That it's probably gonna lead, like, I guess, there you go. You see that massive gap? It's probably gonna lead to a lot of recoil. And I don't like how it looks visually, but I mean, I don't know, maybe it's good. Where's the thing? D-Gear, and it's chunky. It's very chunky. Here it is with Divine and its 2 gears. You get a look at that. It's kind of crazy. All right, up next is Phoenix, and actually, I'm gonna take this out. There's that. It's just the gear, the spin thing. It's whatever. Look at that silver and black. That's so good. Comes with 2. I like that clear plastic chain. I like it. It looks nice. Here is the original Phoenix core. Probably make a perfect Phoenix looking thing. I don't have a regular chain, so L. Here is Fortress. How many stars we get? We got no stars. That is amazing. Yep, there's Fortress. And then Metal Never. I like it. I like it when we get clear parts. Like there's this really cool white and clear Union Achilles, and it's really cool looking, and I really want to get it, but I don't have that money. Here it is. Oh, that's right. The metal burst isn't the metal lock isn't gonna do much because. Wait, never mind. I was thinking of the wrong thing. Okay, never mind. There it is. I like it. I like the clear. I like the. It's fine. It's so powerful. It doesn't want to come out of the packaging. Dude, that's so good. It's so thin, but it's so cool. Oh my god. Oh, I don't know how this works. I'm guessing it goes under the core. Okay. That is crazy. Here's Illegal. Reminds me of Outer. Like it literally looks like Outer. Or like Proof or Ring. We have a lot of similar looking, whatever. Here's Illegal. Wow, that is. And finally, Quattro Dash. Please don't roll. Here it is. The boy. Look at that. Look at that. Infinite Achilles. All right, compare these two. Look at that. Look at that. Of course, have very different parts, but dude, I don't know. The Achilles line, not my favorite, but I really do. You can't hate an Achilles. Like I love this. Like this took forever to get. This was something. And then now with this one, it looks amazing. All right, we're here. I stickered up Achilles. It looks amazing. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. And there's the bottom. And here's, I didn't stick this one up because I'm not gonna use it aside from this video, so it's whatever. Yeah, today we're gonna be doing 5 battles. We're gonna be doing Achilles against these 5. The last 2 releases, these 2 defense types, and this other side release that came with it. Jeez. Alright, that was Achilles in a pseudo balance mode with attack type layer and defense type. You can't see it. Attack type layer and defense type tip. I'm gonna go for the unite type tip. Ring up. That's crazy. Okay. I really wish I could do like 48 battles, but that's illogical. Alright, we're gonna go into the Beyblade that we got this release. It is in defense mode. Stamina tip. Against Never, which is actually gonna be really interesting. Jesus. That felt like a snipe. It definitely, it switched drivers. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Nice. All defense. Whoa! Nice. Alright, that's pretty good. Chain is actually a pretty decent layer from what I've seen. So, less fin, balance mode. Against bumped. One. Bro. Okay. Yo, my quattro is insane. Nice. There we go. Last spin attack mode. Oh, dude! Left attack Achilles versus Excalibur. Oh, it's gonna be a stamina game. Achilles defense mode. Left spin. It is it's a wall. Nice. Right spin balance, Achilles versus Phoenix. Nice. Oh. It's a stamina game, then we know who's gonna win it. Oh! I was wrong! Achilles takes the win. It wasted so much energy. Oof. Oh, armor gone. Oh, now it's hitting below. That's okay. That's good. That's good. Phoenix might get the win. It's stalling. Nice. Alright, overall, this Beyblade is amazing. If you don't have it yet, save up, get this. You need this. This is really good. I'll see you guys around for Win Night, the next random booster, the final random booster for Burst. It's been fun. Like, subscribe, share, all that stuff, and goodbye.